Hey everyone, welcome back to Sunsarts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Hope you're all safe. Today I'm planning to do another project in fall inspired decoration. The items that I'm going to use for this project all are from Dollar Tree. Let me show what are all I have here. And all of these items I have showed in my recent hauls that I made. Let me show you. I'm going to use this beautiful tray, which is maple leaf shaped fall inspired colors. So I'm going to use this, and polka dotted wired burlap ribbon, and this one is a burlap ribbon, and this I got from last fall, so I'm going to decorate this also for this project. And I'm going to use this satin ribbon, orange color, and maple leaves, and I have this wooden board with chalk paint on it and a clip on the back. This also I got from Dollar Tree long back, so it's lying in my craft room, so I thought I'll use this for this project to write fall on it. And I'm going to use the chalk writer, green one, to write that. And I went to my backyard and I picked few of the pine cones. And the florals that I'm going to use are sunflowers and this beige flowers with burlap center, and also some of the bouquet, fall bouquet. So yeah, and I am also going to use this golden wired basket. And this is one of the cardboard piece around, so it was lying in the house, so I painted this with crafter square peachy orange peach. So yeah, and I mixed this with yellow paint and I got this color. So to save some time, I painted this, and I'm going to decorate this as well for this part of the project. So yeah, these are the things that I'm going to use, and yeah, so I'll do the initial preparation and I'll be back. welcome back you guys. These are the final result of all the projects that I'm planning to do in this video. And let me start with this cute golden pumpkin. I just attached one of the, I made a bow out of the raffia, the red raffia that I showed in my past video as well. So I made a bow and then I stuck one of the maple leaf, and I had one of the shiny maple leaf in that. So I just stuck both together, so it kind of looks nice together like that. It's got like shiny effect and the shiny pumpkin, they look both nice together. So yeah, I'm very excited about this one, how it turned out. And I also wrote fall using the chalk writer, green one. And I also made again the raffia bow here, and I stuck hot glued it. And I stuck one more maple leaf on the back to just give the theme, fall theme like that. I'm going to stick somewhere around the basket, and that's that. And the next one is this orange color fall inspired tray. It's so cute, so I wanted to highlight these colors and also decorate this. So I just attached 2 pine cones and one beige flower in the center with a burlap highlight. And then I also attached a bouquet in the back. I separated all the 5 of them, so it just points out on the 5 of the spokes of the maple leaf. So yeah, I thought like it came out really well. I kind of like it. So I'm going to decorate just like this, and that's one of it. And this is actually one of the cardboard round that was lying in the craft room. So this is actually, I think, the raffia. After I used the raffia, the inner part of the raffia is this cardboard. So I painted orange. Basically, I mixed peach and yellow to get this color. And I also attached wired polka dotted burlap ribbon in the center, and attached one of the maple leaf in the center of the ribbon. And I stuffed this to give a flower vase look. I stuffed with styrofoam in the center, and then I attached 3 of the flowers, 2 sunflowers and 1 daisy with the golden centered. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate, and I'm very happy how it turned out. I mean, I wanted to use this because it looks like a very hard cardboard piece. So I thought like, I should make use of this, and I converted this into one of the flower vase. So I'm very happy how it turned out. Let me know how you like this. So this is one of it, and the most beautiful one is this one, the golden basket. I was thinking what should I do with this, and then I thought like, I have a burlap ribbon, I have an orange satin ribbon. Thought like, why don't I convert this like this fall inspired basket. So I'm going to decorate just like this. So yeah, just let me know which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions and comments that you want to give to improve my channel. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate. So hope you like it. I enjoyed it thoroughly doing all the projects because it's very simple and quick projects. So I'm very happy how it turned out. So I hope you also enjoyed watching along with me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and liking and sharing, and click on a bell icon for me so you don't miss any videos when I upload. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.